Hey, what's up? Thanks for checking out this video. So today I am going to show you this closet remodel because before this was done, this closet was a complete disaster. There was only one shelf on each side of the closet, so we definitely didn't have enough room to put all of our belongings in here. So I'm going to show you how it looks. So let's go ahead and jump into this video. Okay. So I absolutely love the way that this closet turned out because you can customize it in any way that you want to. If you wanted to have rods all on one side and shelving all on another side, you could definitely do that. You could have the shelves as close together as you want to, or you could have them as far apart and make them as wide as you want to. I love how you can go ahead and customize the actual closet without blowing like a hole in your budget. So the kits, they were super affordable. They were really easy to install. So I absolutely love the way that everything turned out.